Good morning, third grade. Here is our second example problem. The school library has 97 books about space. John and three of his friends each check out 9 books. How many space books are still in the school library? Show your work. I'm going to read it again because as good readers, we reread. The school library has 97 books about space. John and three of his friends each check out 9 books. How many space books are still in the school library? So I know there are 97 books total. So I know there are 97 books. I know John and three of his friends took out 9 books each. So now if I know that it's John and three of his friends, so John is one person, and then his 3 friends, I know there are 4 people total. And I know that they each took out 9 books. So when we see the word each, we know that all of them took out 9 books separately. So if 4 of them took out 9 books, I have to think of how I can solve how many books they took out. So I know 4 people took out 9 books. I would do 4 times 9. Now, if I don't know 4 times 9 off the top of my head, I could use the distributive property that we have been using. So I can do 4 times 4 plus 4 times 5. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 4 times 5 is 20. 16 plus 20 equals 36. So I know 4 times 9 equals 36, but I'm not done yet. Because all that tells me is how many books John and his 3 friends took out. Because we had 4 people total, John plus his 3 friends, and they each took out 9 books. So I had to do 4 times 9, which we used our distributive property for. So I know they took out 36 books, but the question asked me, how many space books are still in the school library? So I know, like we wrote before, there are 97 books, and John and his friends took out 36 books. So I will need to do 97 minus 36. 97 minus 36 equals 61. Because it was a word problem, I need to write an answer statement. I will write there are still 61 space books in the school. And that is how we will solve a multi-step word problem. I had to 1, figure out how many books John and his 3 friends checked out. And then the question asked me how many space books are still in the library. So I had to subtract how many books they took out from the total number of books in the library. And then lastly, I wrote my answer statement. There are still 61 space books in the school.